Hey everyone, this is Christian Abush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Sung St. Pete. It's on all my social media. We can talk about the options available to you and your family. Now, when selling a home, sometimes you decided that you no longer wish to spend the rest of your life with your partner. And in those situations where you're contemplating or have decided upon a divorce and you're interviewing real estate agents, you should ask them the question, does it make sense to sell the home? Now, that's not a silly question because oftentimes there's sufficient equity where perhaps the best solution is not dealing with a real estate agent, but talking to your mortgage company because you may be able to refinance and purchase the other partner out of the home. And that might be a satisfactory situation in some scenarios. But the reason you should ask that question is because you want to determine that the real estate agent in front of you has your best interest at heart. Because obviously, we're not any real estate agent that, is advising you to seek refinancing first as an option knows they're not going to see any compensation because we get paid from the sale of a house, the transaction. So when you ask that question, you get an answer that you feel is perhaps insincere because it only seems about money to the real estate agent, then that's probably not the person you want to deal with. I advise clients to first seek their options for refinancing and et cetera, because selling a home isn't necessarily a fun situation for everyone. And going through a divorce is already complex, convoluted, full of emotions, and unpleasant to say the least. You want to make sure that if you can create a sense of normalcy by refinancing as an available option, that you take it. And the real estate agent that you're dealing with should be able to tell you all your options that do not include having to just sell the home. Now, if you're feeling that you're getting answers that only lead in one direction and you want to know about some more options, I'm your guy. Give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Song St. Pete and let's talk about all your options. Thank you.